Hello guys, this is USDCHF. We are currently in monthly time frame, and it has a big range of monthly. This single candlestick is controlling everything. You guys can see very clearly that this is the range we have, and none of this all these months has broken this single candlestick. This is the guy who is controlling almost everything. And if we measure the range of this, then we have this 50% area, and this is the thing in monthly. And I think we have an officially we have a double bottom right now here in monthly. If we draw the line from here, so let me draw it. This is our monthly double bottom, which will be officially declared on 31st January. If it remains something like this, then we have a double bottom, undoubtedly. This is a double bottom we created here in monthly within next 48 hours or maybe less than that. And this is our double top. You guys can see this green and red and this green and red. So if we want to make a double top here, we can do that. Here is our double top of month, which created this double bottom. Now this is the area which has been quite respected, and this is the first time it has reached after a long time in this zone. In 2015 it was the exact time frame where the price came to this zone, and it came in last December, and now we have a bullish candle. I think it is a piercing line, but I will not recognize it until the candle is finished on 21st December. So this is what we have of the full range, and this is the 50%. Now you guys can see that we have some untapped area here which needs to be mitigated. Okay guys, this area has, hold on, I think I'm drawing too much on this. This is the area. This is the untapped area which has the price has never been addressed. And this is one area that the price should mitigate, as the market doesn't allow imbalance. That is the law of the market. Every market never allows. This is the one we have. Also above this we have here. This is a very big zone of the monthly area which has not been mitigated also. So we are not talking this right now because we are far behind them. So let's think about this one, and we have an official double bottom now. I don't think the price will come down in next 36 hours to break this double bottom. So this is one thing gone. Let's move to weekly now. And weekly, we do not have anything yet. We do not have double top yet, and we can see that in week we have this area which needs to be taken care of. This is where the market created the imbalance. You guys can see very clearly that this area has never been tapped. I should be a little bit downside, yes. And this is the reason it got rejected last week and the week previous of last week, and this is the case. We have a dodgy till this 2 working session of this week we are doing right now. And on the top side I have showed that this is the monthly. Also we have another zone here, you guys can see, remained untapped in weekly also. This is the thing. Now as we do not have any double top here, so what stop the price here. Now you guys can see this single candlestick in daily, this guy has stopped the price, this green and this red. So we have an official double top in daily that pushed the price back into the bearish side from here. This is the area which has pushed the price back on the bearish side. Now what we are seeing here at the moment is the result of this double top. Now our range is from here to here. So if we measure our new range, considering the whole thing, this is our new range, and the price supposed to come here at least. This is the zone. The price supposed to come and test this area. And in daily, if you guys can see that this area has never been addressed. Okay guys, this area has never been addressed. So it is almost near to the 50%. Now what we are seeing that the last day, yesterday, it tried to tap some liquidity from here, from this guy, the weekly imbalance. Okay, sorry, it didn't tap at all, so it moving upward at the moment. I would like to see what stopped the price here, why the price has been stopped here, and here we need to make it a little bit darker with higher density, so you understand this is a market bias, not a double top. Not double bottom. Okay guys, now getting back to 4 hours now, this is the scenario we have. It is ranging from the second week, and this remained intact so far. It came down, tested this area, failed, moved up, came down, tested this area again, trying to move up. Now, in my opinion, I will go USDCHF as bearish because 1, 2, 3, almost 3 candlestick inside this single 4 hours candlestick. So there is two things here. It happened that it created a double bottom here in 4 hours time frame. If you guys can see, okay, this is a 4 hour time frame. The double bottom has been created here, and it is pushing the price on this side. So if we consider let's get back to daily. This was the double top which created this price to push back, and the 50% is here. Whereas in 4 hours, this is the bottom, double bottom which has been created. That's why it is again pushing the price on the upside. So I think there will be a very good breakout in this area in this week, where it will either breach the bottom side or it will breach on the top side. This is the area. And now considering this 4 hours double bottom, our range of price should be here. And in daily, we have this fair value gap or imbalance already in the market. This is the double top, but we have this is too far, so let's consider these guys. There is a fair value gap here, this guy. This needs to be addressed. This area needs to be addressed. So the price may come to this area and tap, and then it will get bearish. That's my understanding. But as far as the price action is concerned, there is a pattern. We can see that all this 1, 2, 3, and we have a very good rejection here, and we can go bearish. But please put a stop loss somewhere here. But overall, if we see overall, the whole thing is in very dangerous place, because if we go to monthly, you guys can see that this is the almost the whole range. This is the monthly whole range, and it is knocking on the bottom side. And in January it got bullish, but the whole thing is still bearish in month. In weekly, we don't see the trend has been broken yet. It is got the change of character happened here, break of structure, failed. I think I would like to show you more clearly. Don't need to show these things in every places, so you can have a clear chart and understanding, and that way it will be easy for you guys to see things. Let's remove them from months and weeks. Remove this guy from months and weeks. Remove this guy from months and weeks. Then we will have a better understanding what is going to remove this guy from months and weeks. Remove this guy from months and weeks. Okay, if we go to weekly, what I tried to show you here, you guys can see that I don't want it to be here. Let's see. Okay, weekly. Okay, so what I tried to say is this: in weekly, we can see very clearly try to tap the above liquidity, and it is getting bearish. And it is now trying to tap the bottom area where it can get a little bit liquidity from here to move upward, because here we can see clearly this area, this zone price zone have never been addressed. So going back to daily, we have this officially double bottom in 4 hourly, and it pushed the price. But the overall trend, I repeat it, the overall trend has not been broken for 2 reasons. One is this: if you guys see, this was the change of character, and if the price could have been broken this area, then it could have been break of structure, but it didn't. It respected the break of structure and it failed to break it. So currently I am not considering that it should be bearish. Bullish. Still the whole thing is bearish. Even it will be more clear if we draw a trend line in weekly. You guys can see that this trend line is clearly indicating that it is not yet bullish, and it has a very huge resistance working on this side still. That 50% of the actual in 4 hour T, if we go and increase it, and we can see that it is just hovering around some places here. So I'm expecting a breakout. Maybe it will tap to this area. The daily imbalance has to be taken out, or maybe after that it will take out this area. I don't know, but this area will be taken out. Or if it wants to go upward, if it wants to go upward and get bullish, it needs to tap this area at least. So Make your own choices, make your own analysis. I don't have any clear thing for the moment. I am expecting the price to come here sooner or later. That is my expectation. That the price, as it made a for all the double bottom, I am expecting the price to come at least to this area. And another issue I have found that I would like to show you guys here. If we fall from here to here, here to here, to fulfill a cup and to fulfill the pattern cup and handle, the price needs to come to this 50%. In other sense, it must tap either this or this to go upward, to get bullish, or to get bearish. It may touch here and then bounce back. So there is nothing. Let the week pass. Maybe on Tuesday we'll be able to see things more clearly after the news. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and like the video if you want, and share your thoughts in the comment section.